Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for your eufy S1 Pro. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at our mobile app. We can enter into it. And now you'll notice on the main overview, we have our detailed map right here with our previous cleaning statistics in the top left-hand corner. Look at how it navigates row by row, shows you everywhere it's able to clean. We have furniture and all of those obstacles, no-go zones, all of that set up here. So to get access and to start changing your map, it's very, very simple. Right-hand side of the screen, we actually have 3 map icons. The first one's going to be your no circle, whatever you want to call it. This is your no-go zones. We can learn more about that at the top. So we can set virtual walls. We can set no-go zones. And we can set no mop zones. So there they are at the bottom. Here's your virtual wall. So you can add one of those, drag and drop, rotate. Here's your no-go zone, and here's your no mop zone, where it will still go and vacuum, just not mop. So you can add multiples of each of those however you want to build out as you see fit on your map. And right below that icon, we have our middle icon here. This is our editing room option, so we can merge, divide, and rename rooms. So if we wanted to divide a room, select this one, and then it even brings a dividing line here. So let's just position that, hit the check mark, and now we have added another room. And we could repeat that again as needed. And then if we wanted to merge rooms, pick and choose your rooms to merge. Now it's successfully updated and our rooms have been merged. So very easy to do. And then you can also rename your rooms right here. So very easy to configure the rooms. And then the last icon there is our map view settings for the display. Do you want to rotate it? Do you want to add or remove icons on the map? Do you want to change the icon size? You can configure that right there. And you'll find even more map settings in the top right-hand corner with the full device settings. This is the manage map option. This is where we can set up multi-level mapping. This does support multi-level mapping. Just hit the create new map down at the bottom or the plus icon up at the top. They give you mapping tips to help you get started, but that's how you can add and pick and choose between the multiple maps. And then we can also rename or delete our maps as needed. So very simple mapping with our eufy vacuum here. Simple and straightforward to reconfigure your rooms, set up virtual walls, barriers, all of that good stuff right here within the eufy Clean app, available for iOS and Android devices.